Well, it's a little bit cold. We are in Times Square like you've never seen before because only essential vehicles are allowed on the road.
No people.
No people. We're
I've
not
just
supposed to be
got
out here,
out
I
of
think.
I've just got out of bed. It's 1:30 in the morning.
It's freezing. Look at this.
It's amazing.
That's insane. Oh, how cold is it? How cold is it? Seriously. Like, I'm gonna have to put the camera away. I can't hold it. It's that cold, and it's not even got here yet. This blizzard. I mean, it's here, but it's gonna get worse. So I'm going because my hand is freezing.